morning, y'all. Time went back as of Saturday. What's today? I can't think of what today is, but I know it's Monday. It is the beginning of November. Okay, we in the last quarter of 2022. That is crazy to me. But yeah, I honestly don't know exactly what all I'm gonna be doing, but either way, y'all gonna come along with me. I know that today I have to get something done to my eyebrows, like expeditiously. I need to be doing my nails this week as well. These are the Gel X, the easy. They're basically like press-ons, but you use gel glue instead of just nail glue. And the kit is located in my Amazon storefront. I have been using these since September, and I love them. So I'm currently about to package a Poshmark order. Somebody had ordered this bag from me, so I'm going to package and ship that off today, as well as get my eyebrows done. I really want to get my feet done. My feet have not been done since September when I went on vacation. Like,
no search key.
And believe it or not, it was just cold, and now today is going to be 80 degrees. Like, I'm not complaining, but at the same time, like, this is most definitely that tricky pneumonia weather. So y'all be safe out here in these streets with this crazy weather. Like, it's literally up and down. Anyway, I need to get something to eat because I'm already hungry. I have finally started back doing my HIIT or HIIT workouts. I'm not a gym girly, so I have to start small, baby steps, and just work my way up to being able to work out for a longer time. But for now, I'm just doing 10-minute HIIT workouts, and I'm also working on drinking more water than I drink. I've never had a problem drinking water. I love water, but I feel like I just need to hydrate myself more, period. Like, the most I'll drink is twice a day, and it'll be like a cup or a bottle of water. So I need way more than that. But yeah, by 2023, I need to have this body right and tight. I'm tired of complaining about it. I need to do something about it. And you know, I'm just trying to be cute by next summer. What Uzi say? So yeah, if you're new and it's your first time, make sure that you subscribe and turn your bell on. And if you're returning, as always, thank you and welcome back. Let's just, you know, go with the flow and see what we can get into. I am waiting on more PR from the boys at the gate. So we'll see if those come in, then I will show y'all. Also, make sure that you follow me on TikTok, because I do most of my unboxings now over on TikTok, and we are almost at 10K on TikTok. So yeah, tune in, because I'm gonna be talking about a giveaway over there. Outfit of the day, real chill. Pants are from Target. I love these pants. Yeezys, should I say Feezies, from AliExpress. I think I got this little top from what's that place? It's Fashion Metro, probably like $5 or $6. And then white bag from Ego. And we are ready to head out. Oh, the sun is hitting. It is hot. It's really like 80 degrees already. But I'm in this shopping center, and all I gotta do is go like 2 seconds, and then we will be at the beauty supply, because I need to grab some things from the beauty supply store. So we got a couple of minutes to wait until the beauty supply store will be open. I hate when I'm out early and then I get ready to walk in the place thinking they open and they not open yet. Like, wake up, y'all. This is God standing outside the door, and it's just really awkward, because like, he's staring at me, so I'm looking at him because he's looking at me, and I'm looking at him because he's looking at me. I can't wait to get my hair done. I got a hair appointment Thursday because I'm supposed to be going to a party, and it is Chrome Hearts themed. So this has to get done. This cannot look like this by Thursday night, and it's Monday. My hair got to get done. Y'all about to come with me to get my eyebrows done, and yeah. But listen, I love a good beauty supply store run. Like, It's so easy to get caught up looking at everything other than what you came to get. So yeah, might do a little TikTok or whatever. I just came here for some lashes. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start looking at other stuff, but I just came for some lashes because the ones that I wear and I have on my Amazon storefront, it's too late to be trying to order them. I need them like ASAP, so I had to just come to the store. Okay, this is the area I get my lashes from if I don't order them from Amazon. They have to take it off though, because y'all see they got it where you can't just get it. They're press-ons. They must have just started getting these because I haven't seen these in here before. Okay, we got the knockoff Coach.
Friday and Saturday?
I bought these in the white as well. I love these.
Okay. Afternoon, right? Yes. So what about tomorrow morning?
Y'all, why are they selling this in Target and on Amazon for over $8? I just grabbed some mailing supplies just because anytime somebody gets something from me, I pay attention to detail. So I like to have my things together when it's time to ship Poshmark orders or just anything that I might sell outside of Poshmark. These are so cute, so got a couple of these.
Say you're gonna be in love with me. It's driving me crazy.
Okay, wrist so wet I might dry. Bitch, don't talk, you going out town. I done made 6 half for the whole week. Plug wanna play, then I'm going OT. I just made 4, 5, 7 on what? I hop in that scat and I'm bending your block. Nigga want scrap, well let it go rock. My little nigga got it, I bet he gon' pop. I can make 10 off face, no feeling. 6 got like krillin', I'm smoking gorilla. Couple my niggas just caught that nigga that was running off dog. I know they gon' kill him. Smoking on killer and taking your bitch on the trip and them fucked on the floor of my villa. I ain't got time for 2 things. Boy, these stupid ass hoes and they feelings. Ayy, all independent, my bitches just callin', they get it. They know they just ballin' authentic. Chocolate vanilla can't hot, so I hopped out the dealer. I caught a new car and I tinted. Won't lie, little bitch had a nigga down, but now that I'm out of my feelings, I'ma stack the money so tall in the crib, it be looking like the roof came out of my ceiling. Soon as I hop in, I zoom, scooping that bitch like a spoon. I got this effortless sin like that bitch is in tune. Look at it fade when we walked in the room. Ayy, 35 Mac 10s. Ayy, I kill me playing my back end. Fucking that show and I'm making her back bend. After my niggas walk in, we tagged in. Ayy, right off the bat, so that she know that I'm black, but I doja that cat. She with that thong, I like them tights. You pulling that pussy to show that it's fat. Made back to back, but it double up. Hot the new duffel, it came with the double star. Then I put the trunk inside the front, so when I'm backing up, I still front on every one of y'all niggas. Hot, then a scat, bitch, I'm back. Where have you been? $50,000 on my jack, going stupid. Back outside every time, it's a new bitch. Niggas love to lie,
As y'all can probably see, I did not get my eyebrows done, and I'm currently picking up little Shante from daycare. So, BRB. So sorry for the bad quality, y'all, but I am about to watch Kyra's vlog that she just dropped. Got my kombucha, and I got my lobster mac and cheese that my man just made for the first time, and some fried chicken. I already tasted it. Chef's kiss. So yeah, it is Tuesday night. The last I talked to y'all was yesterday. I ain't do nothing but like chill around the house with the kids and my man. Nothing too spectacular. So I'm gonna watch this vlog, eat my dinner, and get back with y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday, November the 9th. I got invited to a Chrome Hearts party officially, and I have to prepare for that tomorrow. So like, this cannot be like this. This cannot be like this. This cannot be like this. I gotta get it all together. My outfit came yesterday from Amazon. I'm so happy. Like, I tried it on. It's so cute. Simple but cute. The theme is all black with silver accessories. Period. I'm going for like a dolled up, but also like a slightly grunge type of look. I'll show y'all once I get dressed and everything, but I can't wait to get my hair done because I look crazy. Don't mind this ugly phone case. I gotta find something else to put on my phone. Baby got me another phone. Shout out to Bday, because I have been complaining like I need 2 devices at this point. I don't have enough storage on one phone, and I also need to be able to use my phone while I'm recording, and I can't do that if I only have one phone. So anyways, this is my new phone. I don't know if y'all notice a quality difference or not, but I went from the 11 and this is the 12 Pro. So yeah, gotta get my eyebrows done today. If I remember, I'm gonna stop by Michael's. I want to do some tooth gems on myself, so I need some Swarovski crystals and get my hair done. So yeah. Tell me she don't snap every time she do my eyebrows. Yes, ma'am. Come on, eyebrows.
Words when I think about them is crusty, musty, dusty, rusty. Ain't me feel these days. Burn somebody block for your doorway. You out now. Yeah. Look, you know how the pagan chit chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. And when rocks through highs and lows. We seen man last night, they froze.
Yo, send help. I'm outside my house. It's after 12 in the morning. I'm tired. My feet hurt. You ever just been so tired you kind of contemplate just sitting in a car? That's me right now. Send help. Before I end the vlog, I just want to say thank you, especially if you made it to the end. We about to open some PR together. This just came in the mail, so let's see what it is. Make sure y'all follow me on both of my TikTok accounts. One is for more so stuff that I find in fashion, and the other one is more so like me and lifestyle. So yeah. Y'all be able to get a better view because the lighting in here is not the best right now. So a better look will be on my TikTok. Let's see what this box is. Yeezy 500. I've been wanting these for a while. And they are definitely giving what they're supposed to give.